Königsee, nestled in the Bavarian Alps, is a stunningly beautiful lake with a few unique and interesting features. Electric boats only. To preserve the pristine water quality and the tranquil atmosphere, only electric boats are allowed on Königsee. This makes for a remarkably peaceful experience, free from the noise of combustion engines. St. Bartholomew's Church. The iconic St. Bartholomew's Church, with its distinctive red onion-domed roofs, is located on a peninsula on the western shore of the lake. It's only accessible by boat and creates a picturesque scene against the backdrop of the surrounding mountains. Echo Wall. Königsee is famous for its Echo Wall. Boat captains often stop in front of a steep rock face and play a trumpet or bugle. The resulting echo reverberates across the lake, creating a magical and memorable sound. Deep and clear, Königsee is one of Germany's deepest and cleanest lakes. Its water is so clear that you can often see far down into its depths.
Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now. Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream. You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me, to me, to me, to me, yeah. Life is our game that we play. I won't get away. We can find a safe place within our company. Within our company. Within our company. So come closer to me. Come a little closer. How long can you hold until your breath fall? It's been too long now. I think that I want to second guess you. I second guess me. I second guess them. Don't second guess me. So come a little closer.
Danke.
Yeah, something smells definitely cooking. It smells really good. I'm glad we didn't eat fast food because there's a lot of food here and it smells really good, man. Give me a break. No, don't give me a break. Keep going. shoot, shoot.
Reminiscing the good old days, remembering to forget all the bad ones. I remember when college seemed so important, but is it worth it? Been wondering what truly matters to me. I know for sure it's not a fancy degree. I'd like to do what I love, but what if I'm not good enough?